have no alternative but to protest. For many years, we have shown amazing patience. We have sometimes given our white brothers the feeling that we like the way we were being treated. But we come here tonight to be saved from the patience that makes us patient with anything less than freedom and justice. We must boycott all these buses until the whites realize we also have rights and will not be discriminated any longer. Brothers and sisters, are you with me?
Yes!
This boycott lasted for 382 days until blacks and whites could use the buses as equals without any discrimination. During this span, the houses of Martin Luther and the head of NAC were bombed. After the success of the boycott, Martin Luther founded the Southern Christian Leadership Conference, which was called as SCLC. With the help of the SCLC, more than 2 million African Americans voted in the elections. With the help of the SCLC, he also raised funds for the civil rights movement. In 1961, Martin led a campaign which faced violence from other people. He arrived with 250 protesters and they were all arrested. Martin Luther arrived with protesters using a new method to stop this discrimination. This was his Birmingham campaign.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
Mr. King, you must pay the fine and get out of here.
I would prefer to stay in jail.
No, you cannot stay here. It is getting very violent. If you don't pay the fine, the police department will have to pay it for you.
Protesters start pelting stones and become even more violent.
Calm down, my brothers and sisters. Please calm down. Violence is not going to help. Anger has never helped anyone. It only brings harm. I request all of you to please calm down and stop this violence. Please calm down.
After this protest, all the other protests led by Martin were banned. His next campaign was held in Washington, where he delivered his famous speech, I Have a Dream, in which large crowds assembled.
इस पे
लंबा सा स्पीच देगा अभी
पूरा कैप्चर करना ठीक है
I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the son of former slaves and the son of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of oppression, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. I have a dream that one day 4 of my little children one day will live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin but the content of their character. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be exalted. Every hill and mountain must be made low. The rough places will be made straight and the crooked places will be made plain. With this faith, I go back to the south with. With this faith, we will be able to walk together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to struggle for freedom together, knowing we will be free one day. Thank you.